Good evening, students. Very good evening to all. I welcome you all for today's automation and robotics class. Okay. Today I am going to explain about automated production lines. So, what is the automated production line? Okay. The second unit mainly consists of automated production lines and automated assembly systems. Okay. The first half in the automated production lines is related. I'll discuss the different topics related to the what are the different fundamentals of automated production lines, what is the work part transport, and I'll discuss about storage buffers and control of the production line, and what are the different applications of the automated production lines. And the second half of this particular unit 2 is related to the automated assembly systems. So mainly in this automated assembly systems, I'll discuss about the fundamentals of manual assembly lines, line balancing methods, fundamentals of automated assembly systems, different like parts delivery systems in automated assembly, and different applications of automated assembly systems. These things we'll discuss in this automated assembly systems. So one of the important concept is there, that is in this second half in the automated assembly system, that is line balancing methods. In this line balancing, mainly like is one of the important topic. Like if any industry, in any in the industry, like whether it is a production line or if it is a automated assembly line or manufacturing assembly line. Okay, so like to there will be always like while any production supervisor is there, you have to assign the work or workstations to the workers or workstations uh, such a way that you have to optimize the different things, like one is like cycle time. Okay. And also like he should not no, avoid the he should avoid the bottleneck machines during the that automated function. So for that purpose, we'll use this line balancing. We'll discuss clearly later. Okay, separately regarding the line balancing method. In line balancing, I'll discuss mainly about three different important methods. One of the important line balancing algorithm is, or line balancing method is a largest candidate route, and the second method is in the line balancing method is like Killbridge and Wester method, that also will discuss. And third method is RPW method. So the abbreviation of RPW is ranked positional weights method. These are the three important methods or algorithms in line balancing method to balance the line. In detail, I will discuss later. And also like different I'll do different problems related to the line balancing, or a single model assembly line and multi-model assembly problems also I'll discuss later. Coming to the today's topic, so automated production line. So an automated production line consists of like because we take any production line, so the production line consists of different stations. Okay, the production line mainly consists of different multiple workstations. Okay, the workstations that are automated and linked together by a work handling that transfers parts from one station to the other next station. So in production line, naturally maybe it is inline production line or carousel or no other different production line. It will use some different work handling systems. Okay, so to transfer the work parts, the work handling systems may be like a belt conveyor or some roller conveyor, so by which we can transfer the work parts from one station to other stations. For that purpose, we'll use the work handling system. So that is the you know automated production line. So automated production line where, because it is entirely you are performing the developing the product assembly, or maybe you are producing the product automatically. Okay, where yeah, different types of workstations you have to use to produce the component. Then for that you may use some n number of workstations you have to use. During that production process, the base part will travel from one station to other station by means of the work handling systems. The work handling systems may be belt conveyor or roller conveyors. These work handling systems that will transfer the parts from one station to the other stations. So that is the automated production line. So this is one of the typical generally used production, like inline, you can say inline production line, automated production line. Observe this particular diagram. So this particular figure or diagram shows the general configuration of an automated production line. Okay, like you see that these are the, from left, if you take from left to the right, the base parts they will move from a different the station. This is the STA1 means station 1, station 2, station 3, and station n minus 2. For example, this is having the 6 number of stations, the n is 6. Then here n minus 2 means station 4, station 5 is n minus 1, and station n is the station 6. Like that it is represented here. And here this is in this particular block, you can see that there is a symbol related to PROC. PROC means it is a processing operation. We are discussing about the automated production line where it is producing one component by using the different workstation. It is you are processing the material into converting the material. You are using different processes to convert the raw material into finished products. Those each individual stations are known as the workstations, or station 1, station 2, station 3, like that. So in between that the main base material, it travels from different stations, okay, by means of the work transport system. That work transport systems may be some belt conveyor or roller conveyor. So this is the here mentioned the mechanized work transport system. So that mechanized work transport system may be like a roller conveyor or belt conveyor. So this is the about this particular diagram. You can see here the while after sixth workstation, the we can see the produced final product can be received at the right hand. So like that, this is the how we can show the like describe automated production line. Okay. So, what are the applications of the automated production lines? So, mainly why we people are automating the production lines is because if there is a high demand for your product and high production rates, then it is very required to use these automated production lines where the high demand and high production rates are required. Then we have to use these automated production lines. And also where some stable product is, because automation is linked with the high amount of investment is required to set up the automated production lines. Okay, in like frequently there are different changeovers are there in your product. Then such types of things somewhat difficult to accommodate, because every time you are change the design. So if there is a like high demand is there for your product, and your product is per years, maybe 5 or 10 years, you are for maybe you can see minimum of 5 years, like that you are having the a stable product design that can be converted into usable product by using this automated production line. Then you can use this particular automated production line. And long product life, at least already mentioned, you should that whatever the whenever you are using these automated production lines, you are going to incorporate in your company, they will see that you should have the long product life. It should be several years in most of the cases. Okay. And if you like sometimes multiple operations are required on the product during the manufacturing. Okay. So if multiple operations are required to perform on the product, okay, to convert that material into usable form of product, then one of the best thing is to automate the process, because when you are automating the things, the production line, then you know it will do the process very accurately. Okay. And every the repeatability of these automated production lines will be very high. So those cases will be very useful, where in multiple operations it will these workstations, automated production lines will deliver the product with a good accuracy. They will and will have they will with repeatability, higher amount of repeatability will be there. That's why we can suggest these automated production lines. And one of the advantages of these automated production lines is because these machines are automated ones, so involvement of labor is somewhat direct labor is very less. Okay. We can reduce the labor cost, and we can even uh, reduce the product cost also, because if you are using the automations, you are decreasing the labor cost and other different things, and very accurately you are developing the products, and that's why you can even eliminate the scrap. And these are connected to the cost things. While you are deciding the cost, raw material wastage also you have to consider. Those things will be very less in this particular automated production lines. So due to that, you can reduce the product cost also. Okay. And production rate, wherever there is a high demand is there for your product, and high production rates are required. Already mentioned this, these particular automated production lines are very suitable for these particular requirements. And also minimal work in progress and manufacturing lead time. So most of the cases, uh, if you're manufacturing any product, most of the cases some 20 to 30% will be you will concentrate on the manufacturing product. Remaining entire that 70% of 60 to 70% of work will be the work will be in progress. Okay. Maybe the work may be moving between the workstations, or maybe in inventory, or maybe in the storage, or maybe some setup times. All these comes into the picture. So those things you can minimize if you are using this automated production lines. And also if you are using these production lines, you can minimize your factory space. Within the less space, we can accommodate all these machines, and we can reduce the floor space also. That is also one of the advantage. And there we can use different types of work transport systems. Already mentioned work transports are mainly one of the important part in automated production line. One is there you can use manually, we can transfer the work parts, or by we can use the mechanized systems. Okay. So that is related to the work part transport systems. And in next class I will in detail I'll discuss about the work part transport system. In the today's class I discussed about the what is the automated production line, and what are the different advantages and disadvantages of the automated production line. Hope you understand this particular topic. Thank you one and all.